In this video, we're making spinach and orzo pasta. The ingredients are water or low-sodium chicken broth, cannellini beans, orzo, olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh spinach, feta cheese, an onion, a yellow bell pepper, a red bell pepper, garlic, fresh rosemary, and fresh thyme. In a large pot, bring the water or broth to a boil and add the rosemary. Boil for 1 minute, then remove the rosemary with a slotted spoon. Add the orzo and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, heat the oil and sauté the onion and garlic for 5 minutes. Add the bell peppers and sauté for another 3 minutes. Then add in the spinach and sauté until it's wilted. Next, stir in the cannellini beans. Then stir in the orzo to the mixture. Season to taste with salt and pepper, sprinkle the feta and fresh thyme, and enjoy.